Have you ever wondered how small we can go in the world of technology? Welcome to the dawn of nanorobotics, where science fiction morphs into reality. This fascinating field has evolved from a mere concept into a dynamic area of study. It's a journey from micro to nano, a shift that's as mind-boggling as it sounds. And what's more exciting, the potential. It's as vast as the universe itself. As we delve deeper into the nano world, we uncover potential that is as vast as the universe itself. Imagine a world where tiny robots can travel within our bodies to detect and cure diseases. This isn't a page out of a science fiction novel, but the reality of nanorobotics. These microscopic machines, invisible to the naked eye, hold enormous potential across various fields. In healthcare, they could herald a revolution. Picture this: nanorobots coursing through our veins, seeking out malignant cells and nipping diseases in the bud. They could even deliver treatments with laser-like precision, minimizing side effects. But the potential of nanorobotics extends far beyond medicine. In the realm of environmental science, these tiny warriors can play a crucial role. Imagine nanorobots cleaning up pollutants in our oceans or monitoring delicate ecosystems, providing vital data to protect our planet. These are not mere fantasies, but real possibilities that scientists are working on right now. What does the future hold for nanorobotics? As we gaze into the horizon, the potential of nanorobotics is boundless. However, this journey isn't without its hurdles, including ethical considerations and the necessity for regulatory frameworks. The key is responsible innovation, ensuring we harness the power of these tiny machines without compromising our values. We must tread carefully, balancing progress with prudence. As we navigate this exciting frontier, remember, in the invisible world of nanorobotics, we're only limited by our imagination.